Imagine tender stuffed onion rolls. Simple ingredients, but the result feels truly special. You'll find all the ingredients in the description. First the list, then the apron. That's my little ritual. I peel a large onion. The more even it is, the better it works as the base for our rolls. I set one aside for the filling and gently score the rest from the outside in. I simmer the onions until tender, and in the meantime, I dice that last one finely. If you enjoy these less obvious recipes, leave a comment. I'd love to share more cozy ideas like this. Into a bowl goes ground meat, raw rice, chopped parsley, onion, garlic, tomato puree, olive oil, and plenty of seasoning. The filling is really the heart of this dish. The better it's seasoned, the better these rolls will taste. I've learned to take my time here. Meat and rice don't like to be rushed. A little olive oil and fresh herbs bring everything to life. It smells like comfort food already. And every time I mix it, I feel like I'm creating something truly homestyle. I take the onions out of the water and let them cool slightly. Hot onions can be a sneaky trap for your fingers. I separate the onions into layers, like peeling the pages of an old notebook. I grease the baking dish with a bit of olive oil so nothing sticks later on. I spoon the filling inside and roll them up tightly. Each one comes out a little different, and I love that. In a pot, I melt butter and stir in tomato paste, water, salt and pepper. A simple sauce, but the aroma feels like Sunday dinner. I pour the sauce over the rolls. The smell of buttery tomatoes makes me instantly hungry. Then I cover everything with oiled parchment paper, a small trick that locks in all the steam and flavor. bake for 30 minutes covered and another 30 uncovered until golden. And here they are. Delicate, aromatic, full of flavor. A dish that just begs for a family meal around the table. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you'd like more homestyle comfort recipes, hit subscribe and stay close.